I'm Adrian Hillier, licensed acupuncturist and massage therapist with Pins and Needles Acupuncture. And today, we're going to talk about one way to help with shoulder pain while you're at home. All you're going to need is a lacrosse ball. The one that I use is by rock tape. It's called a rock ball. You don't have to, it's just my preference. And what we're going to work on are trigger points in the infraspinatus muscle. It's part of your rotator cuff. It's actually in the shoulder blade. So the muscle that we're looking at is the infraspinatus. This is your scapula or shoulder blade. And this is the spine of the scapula. The infraspinatus sits in this fossa, the infraspinous fossa. So that's the area that we're going to be aiming for. At the end of this video, you'll see a picture with the X's of exactly where those trigger points are. And remember, this muscle performs external rotation. So because it travels from here to here, it does this action. Rotating out. Rotating out. And if you kind of poke around back there, you'll find some tender spots. The reason that we like to work on this area is those trigger points refer to the front of the shoulder. So if you're stuck at home working on a computer all day, or even if you exercise a lot, sports like martial arts, anything overhead throwing, this is probably a good thing to play around with to see if it helps you out. So we're going to get the ball, place it against the wall. Get our shoulder blade right in there, try and feel that tender point on the shoulder, and you should find a spicy spot. Once you find it, you can sit on it for a minute or so, just let it work, or you can do some active stretching and movements with it. So I'm going to pull my arm right across and let it sink right in, and I'll kind of rotate to make sure that I stay on that spot while I do it. Move that elbow up and down for some added effects, kind of like a pinning stretch we would call it. Go back. You can do that for 30 seconds or so as well. Another thing I like to do is external rotation. So the action of your infraspinatus is external rotation. It draws that shoulder, that glenohumeral joint back. So what we're going to do is mimic that by going here. You can also go up against the wall, press and hold, and relax, press and hold, and relax, and kind of roll around. Then we can move to the next spot, wherever we may find it. And that's just one quick tip on how you can help decrease shoulder pain with a lacrosse ball at home.